Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2016 to 2025 Volkswagen Atlas key fob. This key fob takes one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So we are going to be using a small flathead screwdriver to help remove the battery, but the first thing we're going to do is remove the physical key. And to do this, we need to slide this button to the side and then press out the physical key. Now, the same slot that the physical key came out of, we're going to stick the key back in just slightly, and we're going to pry towards the side of the key fob with a blank back plate. Once it starts to pop off, we can remove it the rest of the way, exposing our battery, and we will take our flathead screwdriver, and I like to hold my finger over the battery so it doesn't pop out, but now that it's loose, we can remove it. Put the new battery in with the positive side facing up, making sure it's seated in there correctly. Then we can take our back plate and replace it, snapping it along the sides. And then we can take our physical key and replace it. And with that, we are finished. And so hopefully this video helped you out in swapping out your battery. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.